Maximizing your wash. Detergent placement in top-load washers.
Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into an important aspect of laundry day: where to put your detergent in a top-load washer. Is it better to pour it directly onto the clothes, or should we use the dispenser tray? Let's find out.
Why does detergent placement matter?
The placement of your detergent can greatly impact the effectiveness of your wash. Properly placed detergent will dissolve fully and distribute evenly throughout the load, ensuring your clothes get as clean as possible. Misplaced detergent, on the other hand, can lead to less effective cleaning, residue on your clothes, and even potential damage to your washer.
Should I pour detergent directly onto the clothes?
Pouring detergent directly onto your clothes might seem like a good idea, but it's usually not the best method. Direct application can cause concentrated detergent to remain on certain pieces of clothing, leading to uneven cleaning. Plus, it can potentially stain or damage certain fabrics.
So, should I use the dispenser tray?
Absolutely. The dispenser tray in your top-load washer is there for a reason. When you pour detergent into this tray, the washer will release it at the optimal time during the wash cycle. This allows the detergent to fully dissolve and evenly distribute across your entire load of laundry, providing the most effective clean. Using the dispenser also ensures the right amount of water mixes with the detergent, reducing the chance of any residue left on your clothes after the wash. So there you have it. When it comes to top-load washers, your best bet is to use the detergent dispenser tray rather than pouring detergent directly onto your clothes. This method will help ensure your clothes come out fresh and clean, without any detergent residue. Remember, it's not just about how much detergent you use, but also where you put it. Happy washing!